Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add HTML, CSS, JavaScript custom code to your WordPress site. It's so simple. First of all, you need to get to your WordPress dashboard, and just right here we're gonna click on this option pages. So click on all pages. Now on this window you will able to see all of the pages which are on your site. The one where I'm gonna add my code is this one right here, the checkout page. So to add the code there, we're gonna select this option edit. Next they'll redirect you to this page where you'll see the option edit with Elementor. If you don't see it, you need to install the plugin Elementor, only then you'll be able to see this option just like me. So click on edit with Elementor. So the place where I'm gonna add that code is down right here. So this is the plus icon where we need to click. Now choose the layout. I'll just go with this one and click this structure. Just click on this and we're gonna search here HTML. Click on this one and just right here we're gonna paste the code. So this is the code right here which I'm gonna put there. So this is the code for contact form which I have created by using CSS, HTML, JavaScript. So I'll just select that, hit Ctrl+C to copy and just gonna paste that right here. Okay, so here you can see this is the best thing about this, like you can get the preview. Once you're satisfied with this, you can just click on publish and your changes will be published. So to check that whether the code is successfully applied or not, we're gonna just go to the site and to see that on the checkout page things are updated or not. And yeah, here you can see we got the contact us window just at the bottom of the checkout page. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can add HTML, CSS, JavaScript custom code onto your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.